See something really cool. This is the most coolest vehicle I've ever owned. It's not a hot rod or anything, but I get 3 cents a mile. Imagine that. All right, take a look. So this is a 1995 Dodge Caravan, and what makes it special is it runs only on propane. I have 2 large tanks there, and I have 4 little tanks underneath. It came from the GMC factory this way. It's got all the manuals to repair the natural gas system, and it's pretty cool. So I've had it for a really long time, and I stopped driving it because I have to drive an hour to go get fuel, which is a bummer. Now they do make in your house stations, but they're like $4 grand. But anyway, I need to get rid of this thing, and if you guys know of someone who restores cars, you know, this is probably one of a kind right now because it's so old, and when I turned it off, it was running fine. And if you're interested, send me a message. But this is a natural gas vehicle that came from GMC directly. It was not a aftermarket installation. So there's the operator manual for the gas. Anyway, I personally think this could be restored, and one of the very few things that you know was good about the 70s or 95s, that they were actually trying a new concept. And this thing really runs good. There's no carbon in the fuel, so my oil never turns black. And it's just really nice vehicle. So if you're interested, make me an offer. I'm in Elizabeth City, North Carolina, and it has about 120,000 miles on it. It does have a little rust, but anything you're restoring, of course, anything you're restoring has little issues here and there, and all the paint came off. But anyway, guys, what do you think? Leave a comment. If you like this kind of stuff, please follow, and let me know again what you think. And definitely share this with anybody you think might be interested. Maybe Jay Leno. This would be a great thing for his collection. I know he likes hot rods, but this is pretty cool, guys. But this would be definitely somebody restored this and took it to a car show, and with natural gas tanks. That's pretty neat. And I've only had one problem with it in the years and years that I've had it, and that was just a stuck valve that had to be replaced. And of course I had to replace the tires about 4 times I think I've had it for at least 15 years. And it never gave me any issues. All right, guys, thanks.